Spotify Playlist in a Bottle is a service that allows you to create a musical time capsule that you will be able to listen to in 2024. This video is all about how you can make one. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. To create a musical time capsule, you must access the Spotify Playlist in a Bottle website on your mobile device. The link for it is in the description. Once you access the website from your phone, you will either be redirected to your Spotify app or it will ask you for your login credentials and permissions in the browser itself. Click on Get Started and then you'll have to choose a special object that represents your musical time capsule. There are 6 objects to choose from, including a bottle, a lunchbox, a teddy bear, and others. Once you do that, the next step is to answer a small questionnaire about your musical tastes. In this, you must answer questions such as what is the song you're obsessed with, a song that reminds you of someone, and much more. Once you answer the questions, you can lock them and your profile will be saved and kept hidden in a bottle till 2024. Once the year arrives, you will get a notification to access your Spotify playlist in a bottle. So go ahead, have some fun, and we hope things go smooth for you. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.